Hello my fellow skateboarders and longboarders and freeline skaters. Today I have come longboarding to this distance. Sorry. So I have come longboarding to this distance. That was a downslope, that's why board was going down without my knowledge. But it's like 6:30. My alarm is going off. Yes. So this is the spot where we stopped the last time, you know. I couldn't go past this place. This is the Melur Road. You saw the Vagisha Vidyashram school in another video. So we'll go past this road for a few minutes. I did not record till this time because this road is like 12 minutes in the last video, very first time and the road stripe pandrapo. So actually pathina ipo inda road I might have ridden in less than 12 minutes, say like 7 to 8 minutes la vandirpen nanu. So from here let's continue. Ingende Melur Pakam Pora roads la we'll ride for a few kilometers and then we'll get back home. This is a slope and I may not be able to climb this speed bump. So this is still a slope. I'm going to give a shot once that vehicle passes me. Let's get going. Inge roads konjam decent ah irukku. Nice. Oh, this is a down slope, guys. I don't have to pump. The board will go, slide, glide. We have some rough texture, but that's fine. Nice. ரொம்ப நல்லா ஓட்ட முடியுது இங்க லாங் போர்டு. The roads are nice. Actually கொஞ்சம் rough texture இருந்தாலுமே it's easy for me to pump. Little bit of steep and mild rough texture is giving me a hard time, but I'm still able to pump, you know, keeping my speed. We would have done about 1 to 1.3 kilometers. On the video I might have mentioned it like 1 to 2 kilometers because I rode back home the same distance. This time I doubt if I would ride back. I'll just ride it to the destination that I need. We have a dog friend here who is uncomfortable me seeing riding the longboard. Thank you, Mr. Autowala. Oh boy, these down slopes or the sides of these roads are like onume illa sides in it. Need to be really careful. Oh boy. One good thing is that is one continuous riding. It's one continuous ride of the longboard of all the challenges that we face now. Nice. Oh boy, this part of the road is very nice. Beautiful. ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு கிளைட் பண்றதுக்கு. Little bit of steep, so riding in surf motion. If GoPro could capture my shadow, you will know. So we are about to reach the Melur. It's one sort of village, town, I would call it a village. Oh yeah, we crossed the speed bump. Nice. I think we are entering the Melur limits. I'm choosing to ride at the best part of the road since there is no traffic. A little bit of rough texture. Nice. ஃப்ராங்காக சொல்லணுன்னா நான் இவ்வளோ தூரம் ஓட்டுவேன்னு நான் நினைக்கவே இல்லை. நைஸ். Little bit of steep which you may not know, but ride பண்றப்போ you will know. You could see the sands and everything, but still this longboard is managing to ride now. Amazing, la. Like on a steeper slope, we managed to climb that. Nice. We are actually crossing the Melur junction. Actually, on the Ure Thandi down. In the road, if you go for another 6 to 7 kilometers, you will reach the butterfly park. We'll go there sometime. Longboarding possibly. So yes, I'll stop it right here. that was really a nice ride here. So I'm very happy that I could able to make it to Melur. In the road la pona Butterfly Park varum. It's like 7 kilometers irukkum nanikiren from here. So we will do that some other time. And now I'll try to get back home. If possible, I'll record the same. Otherwise, we'll just go home. Peace.